This is Planet Hollywood, or used to be Planet Hollywood. It's an old Dodge, I think. Huh. Yeah, because that's Days of Thunder car. But that car is out of Days of Thunder, Coal Trickle. Yeah. This is Planet Hollywood, or used to be Planet Hollywood. This is a famous car too, but somebody bent the hood on it. Oh, it's got a big old flathead. And it's rare in the condition it's in. Like even more rare.
I've heard that it drove in here under its own power. That was 15 years ago.
Oh my god, an old flathead 4.
Yeah.
I'm right into cars. I got 72 Dodge home. 4x4s galore, but nothing like this. The old wishbone steering. It's just insane. Back in the war times, this is where it would break, and they would tie that together to keep steering.
And you do what you have to, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
My favorite thing that somebody showed me about this is the manual windshield wipers.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Well, it's got twin stick 4-wheel drive there too.
Oh, cool. That's good to know. Thank you. I enjoy learning about this too.